Network Entertainment.
Spit Manila.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Tawalets, and today we have Ding Dong, Carl and Monica from Spit. Carl and Monica haven't been in the previous episodes yet, so I'm very excited for them to be here. In our last episode, we talked about the changes that Spit went through over the years, and there was a lot to say in that episode actually, sobrang daming nasabi. But today, naisip namin na baka mag-chismis na lang kami tungkol sa mga wala dito.
True.
True.
Sorry. Ayaw nila gumising na maaga.
Tsaka coding yung iba.
Ayun,
Coding.
ayun. Isa lang yung coding, si Papu lang.
Ako rin. Pero,
Ay, coding ka rin.
Pero nandito siya.
Yes.
Bakit
Oo.
ganon?
Mm-mm.
Ayaw niyang pag-usapan.
oo, FOMO na ako.
Alam na. So actually, since you weren't here in the previous episodes, I also want to ask you guys how your journey with Spit began, because kayo lang ata yung hindi pa nakakakwento.
Gusto mo mauna? Ikaw, ako?
Ikaw na kasi mas
According to age.
according to senior
Oh my
member.
God, according to age. So, anong nangyari? I would watch Spit a lot because Missy is my friend. So, Missy and I go way back. We've been friends since the late 19s. So, the late 1900s, magkaibigan kami ni Missy. And then, parang, halika manood kaya ganyan. And maybe I'm not sure, but maybe you've already talked about where Spit used to perform. It's not, maybe about the size of this room.
Totoo.
Diba? So, medyo mga ganun.
Totoo.
Ngayon, nagkaroon ng open workshop.
Yes.
Idea mo ba to?
Hindi, kinag-give yun.
So idea. Hindi ko alam ko, ano yung reason behind the open workshop?
Ang plano nun was para magbuo ng another group. Dapat ibang grupo kayo na para lang may competition kami. Parang ganun.
So yun yung nangyari. So they had open, and that's where we met.
Yes,
Oh,
yes,
that's where we
yes.
met.
Pero
So,
nauna kayo by
just a
months.
little bit, yeah.
Oo.
So what happened was they had open editions, and then si Bibay was the one who wanted to join initially. Boyfriend ko pa si Chester noon. Tapos, kilala.
Pinag-uusapan na yung wala.
Oo, kasi wala siya dito dahil iba yung ginawa. Gumising naman siya na maaga pero nasa ibang lugar siya at the moment. So what happened was there was an open workshop, and it was held in one of the buildings in Ateneo. Tapos, si Bibay gusto. Sabi niya, sige, punta tayo. Tapos sabi ko, sige na nga, pupunta rin ako. Si Chester, dapat driver lang namin. Pagdating doon, sabi ko, parang ayokong workshop. Parang sayang naman. Parang it's a nice evening. Maybe we can just go out there. Just bring Bibay there and then we'll head out. Kasi maganda maglakad doon, di ba? Maganda maglakad sa Ateneo, ganyan, ganyan. Hindi kasi kami taga doon. Tapos, the then wife of Gabe,
Pinag-usapan ulit yung wala.
pinag-usapan ito. Pangatlong tao ko na to, no? Started shouting obscenities at me na saying na, ikaw, tut, tut, pumunta ka, tut, tut. Tapos para ako, no.
So napilitan ka
Pilitan
lang.
ako. Pilitan ako.
Okay.
But, hindi naman ako nagsisi. I had a great time. There were like maybe 3 or 4 sessions. And then the rest, we did it at Gabe's house. And I had a good time. That's where I met Kenneth. So dun kami nang galing. Kenneth and Chester B by Ariel.
Ariel, yes.
I think Ariel was invited for the initial audition nung batch nila Ding Dong pa. Tapos, ang nangyari, nung nag-show yung Spit to showcase the Spittles yung tawag.
That's
oo.
right.
And again, this is going to be my next person na wala siya rito, si Joel Trinidad. Hated
Oo.
Spittles because it's not a real word.
Kasi wala daw S. Dapat spittle lang.
Ah.
Walang plural ang spittle.
Ah.
Mas marami sila eh.
Oo. Kung alam lang niya yung mga words ngayon, Furzon.
Oo.
Siguro tumambling yun. And then, after it was supposed to be like just, we're gonna jam with Spit and all of that. Mitch, she is with a different group now. I forget. Si Mitch.
Simbulan.
Simbulan niya. She
Sila
was
Red
with us.
Concepcion.
Red Concepcion, Doti Gusinko,
Correct,
Red. See,
correct.
naka-7 na akong
Seven
taong wala
nila.
rito, no? Of course, Red is already on Broadway and all of that. Hi, Red.
Hi.
Love
Hi,
you.
engineer, di ba? Engineer.
Ay, ano
Nasa
na siya?
Chicago siya
Chicago
ngayon.
na siya
Oo.
ngayon.
Nakakaloka siya. Tapos, nung natapos, parang we just do a few games and all of that. And then, parang sabi, the newest member of Spit. Tapos parang kami, hindi mo na alam nangyari. Tapos, wala namang kontrata or what. Then, yun yung kwento ko.
But you know what? To be honest, I would have thought that between you and B-Boy wanting to join, it would be you.
Oo nga eh.
Oh, no.
Diba?
Feeling ko rin.
Oo.
Nagulat ako doon. Interesting.
Oo. So, siya talaga. And then, driver lang dapat kami. Transpo lang dapat kami.
Alam ko si Chester, he has said it openly. Dapat
Yeah.
driver lang talaga ako eh. Pero
Totoo. Hanggang ngayon naman.
Yes.
So, yun. That's my story.
Okay. Yay.
My story, well, hindi naman ako, nung nagsimula ako mag-improv back in 2014, I was the type of person who does improv, pero hindi ko trip manood. So, bihira akong magpakita sa mga shows. Kaya, I think one of my first intentional spit show was back in 2016. Dahil hinatak ako ni, magme-mention ako ng wala dito.
Sige.
Hinatak ako ni A.M. Mendoza.
Okay.
Kasi she, parang, when she took classes in TUI, madala siya manood. I think every week nanonood siya.
Wow.
So, hinatak niya ako. So, naging weekly thing namin yun. Nanonood kami ng spit every Thursday. And after I took classes in Third World Improv, and then nalaman din ni Pepe na nag-keyboard ako. So, nag-usap kami. And then nalaman namin na magkamag-anak pala kami ni Pepe.
What?
Hindi ko alam.
Yeah, Pepe is my uncle.
Wow.
In what
Pinsan
way?
siya. Pinsan siya ng ng tita ko.
Oh,
Yeah.
what?
So we are related.
Second cousin.
Parang second uncle ko siya. Ganon, we're related. Oo. And then I think my first stint with Spit was in 2017 nung hinatak ako ni Ding Dong to do music dahil wala si Pepe.
Sa Singapore to?
Yeah, Singapore.
Oo.
Actually, Singapore.
Wow, grabe.
Ano yung
Singapore
first-
agad.
Hindi
Commune.
pa, sa commune muna.
Commune
okay.
muna. So yun, nakita naman nila na okay naman pala akong tumugtog. So every time walang musician or kapag kulang yung tao, isasalang nila si Pepe. Tapos ako yung magki-keyboards. Dinala ako. Sa Singapore naman, kinuha din ako ni Ding Dong like
Oo.
on the day of
Oo.
the
5
performance.
minutes
Oo.
before.
5 minutes before the performance. Like, Eche Luce! Okay ka ba mag-keyboard? Okay. Hindi ko alam yung gagawin nila. Hindi rin nila alam kung ano yung gagawin nila during that day. So yun. And after the formation of Housekeeping Improv ng 2021, na-absorb na kami ng Spit. So, yes.
Mas mahaba yung spit story ni Carl than the rest of sila Papu, and Karen, Angelica because of that, we'd always invite Carl to rehearsal.
Yes.
And at that time, hindi pa masinop yung structure, quote-unquote, if you call it that, because there's no actual word for it. When we do our actual rehearsals.
Mhm. Which was a shock for me.
Oh,
I think naman, naging masinap naman kayo sa structure before.
before, oo.
Pero since 20 years na kayo, diba?
Anong nangyari?
Naka-stake ka naman.
True.
Oo,
True.
totoo yan.
I remember that rehearsal nung naging sessionista na talaga ako ng Spit na si Pepe ay gusto na maglaro dahil larong-laro na siya. It was at Kenneth's Place. Malapit lang naman ako pero I remember nag-take pa ako ng angkas na may dala-dalang keyboard.
Oh, ganda.
Oo, kasi like shit, magre-rehearse kami.
Bandang-banda.
I have to be on top of my game. Pagdating ko doon, wala silang ginagawa kundi kumain,
Kumain lang kami ng
chumika.
kumain. And then, nalaman namin kay A.M. Mendoza, wala rin siya dito. Wala siya kahit sa...
Wala siya kahit
wala
saan.
na. Wala na.
Sabi niya, oh, Carl's complaining that when you guys have rehearsal, you don't rehearse and you just eat and eat. May ganun pala.
Totoo.
Nagre-reklamo pala siya.
Oo, shock lang. Shock. I think it's coming from shock. Dahil during that time, pag magre-rehearse ako with my groups in TUI and outside of Third World Improv, as in talagang, okay, ganito yung gagawin natin. We have to learn this. Drill natin to. Which was such a different scenario when I came into Spit.
Na dahil wala siya dito, nandun siya sa kabilang side ng kwarto na to.
Hindi natin pwedeng pag-usapan.
Hindi kami pwedeng mag-rehearse ng masaya-saya lang kasi gusto niya mag-rehearse kami may structure. Tawag natin sa pangalang Papu Dili! Hey, hindi niya alam kasi nakaganto, naka-headphone.
Narinig niya tayo.
Ay, dinig mo kami! I'm sorry!
Kanina pa siya nag-agree sa mga sinasabi natin. Uy! Tigil niyo muna yung pakikinig ng show na to, ha? Oo, ito po ang The Cool Pals.
Hello.
Hello sa inyo, sa mga nakikinig
Tumingin sa
ng
camera.
podcast na to. Hello sa inyo.
Hello.
Ito po ang kwentuhang inuman lang, long table inuman, may uupong guest, at makikipagkulitan sa amin. Ganun lang po ang podcast namin. Kaya kung trip nyo makakinig ng mga lasing,
Ayaw umiinom. Parang ayaw mo na mamilit kung gusto nilang ano.
hindi, bahala na sila. Tapos pag nakinig sa atin, magre-reklamo.
Huwag ka na lang makinig, ganun ba?
Papatanggal nyo sa trabaho?
Hindi.
Hindi nagustuhan?
Hindi yan.
Huwag na kayo makinig!
Sige.
Huwag na!
Dito.
Bumalik na kayo sa show na!
Oo, yun na,
Huwag
yun
na
na
kayo
yan.
pupuntahan! Huwag kayo pupunta sa show na!
Ano?
Pero kung gusto nyo makinig, punta na kayo sa
Oo,
The Cool
pwede naman.
Pals.
Ganda naman eh.
Di ako minom.
But grabe, the rehearsal, I think we just stopped rehearsing. When was, because there was a time na masipag din tayo eh. We would
Nung
do,
twice a show a week. Twice a week.
Twice a week show.
twice a week.
Twice a show a week.
Twice a show a week. I think also when I came back from the States, masipag tayo because I wanted to give
Yeah, on the
everything,
new
diba?
ones.
But then when we started teaching it, dahil tinuturo na natin, I
Parang-
feel like, na parang, okay, may class na ako ng Wednesday, I did all of this. So baka that's what happened. After we started teaching, hindi na natin ginagawa. Which is wrong. I mean,
Yeah.
it's wrong. It's good that we're starting to
Pero
work
part
harder.
talaga nung yun, ng history ng Spit, nakasama talaga yung kainan
Oh, yes.
before rehearsal. Yun sila, lumalampas na yung mas marami yung kainan ng chikahan. Tapos, ayaw nga pala, laro tayong konting games. Okay na yan,
Ay,
uwi na
kasi
tayo.
nandito tayo.
Oo.
And then I remember very, very recently, we had a rehearsal where we were like, okay, we're gonna work. Walang pagkain. Ang daming nagkain.
Galit na galit
Oo,
ako.
bawal talaga yan.
After nung araw na yon, kailangan merong pagkain na hindi plastic ang spoon and fork. Kailangan metal ang spoon and fork at mababasagin ng plato. Yun lang naman yung criteria. Kahit naman ano yung ilagay mo, kahit galing din naman sa kahon yung food, basta nilagay sa platong mababasagin, okay na yun.
Basta cutlery that
Yeah, yeah,
is
yeah.
silverware.
Even if it came from the plastic.
Yes.
Diba?
yes,
Basta
yes.
nilagay mo sa...
Silver.
Yun lang yun.
Ah.
Yun lang yun.
And I feel like as Spit got older, our taste in things have also evolved. Like the food that we eat.
Because you cannot eat all na fried na. It's bad na.
Yes. We're getting older.
Hindi na pwede. Puro matamis.
Bakit tahimik lang to?
I recently just crossed the threshold.
Ayan na.
At saka na-spoil tayo nung period na dun sa kay Kenneth tayo
Totoo.
nagre-rehearse kasi talagang order from
From
from-
hotel.
Oo,
It's
from
hotel
hotel.
food.
tapos biglang room service.
Oo, parang, Kenneth, gusto ko ng soda. Okay, may flavor.
Oo, cherry coke.
Oo, diba? Kahit anong gusto mong soda, pwede.
Yes, but we cannot do that anymore and we are very aware. Our youngest member is 28. 28. So magta-30 na rin siya. So I think our choices.
Compared to you before at 18.
Oh yeah, when I started with ang baboy, we would eat fast food.
Oo.
'Di ba? Fast food. So it has grown
And
and,
then
it has changed.
it was a choice before. Parang, kasi halimbawa, ako yung mag-o-order. Kung wala kami sa room service, ako yung mag-o-order. Tapos anong gusto ninyo? Crispy pata or sisig? Tapos they be looking at me like, why are we choosing? We can order both.
Oo.
This kind of bad. Tapos mas matanda sila sa akin. So, ganun yung pagkain that. Wag ganun.
Mm-mm.
Only one.
Only one.
Mm-mm.
Pero dati naman yung pag dun sa bahay ni Gabe, yun, bagong, lutong bahay ni...
Lutong bahay.
Oo.
Masarap
Oo.
naman.
Right.
Masarap yung lutong bahay.
And I remember, I was very young. There was this one time, we went to Gabe's house, and he was having some sort of gathering. Hindi lahat spit, pero may spit doon.
Baka improv mixer.
Maybe. Pero may tao din na hindi nag-improv.
Oo.
I
Mga
think at that time. Mga friends. And I remember Happy and I were there. And we were 22 maybe? 21, 22. And we were so fascinated by the fact that all these adults got so excited when someone said, I have apricot bread. Apricot bread! Kami ni Happy, apricot bread?
Ano yun?
Tapos excited talaga. Parang kami, okay, I guess we are not there yet.
Now, would you be excited
Oo,
about apricot
Hindi
bread?
pa rin.
What
It's not
bread
my
would you be
thing.
excited about? If
Yung may,
Papo came in here with any sort of bread?
yung may choco chips.
Ganun pa rin.
Ganun pa rin. If it's bread. Are you guys, not allowed to eat anything anymore? Or
No.
are there certain things? Hindi naman.
Well, I'm just discouraged, but I allow myself to eat it.
Pero
Um,
pwede ba po, wag nyo na po kami bigyan ng donut.
Yes. Oh, yes. That's one thing. Okay, so first of all, we are very,
We're
very
grateful.
thankful. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you
for
so
the love.
much.
Thank you.
Our followers give us gifts after every show and we're very, very thankful. Kaya
Yes.
lang, dahil nga yung youngest member namin ay 28 na rin,
Mm-mm.
yung consistent donuts is bad for our sugar. Ang median age ng spit ngayon ay 37.
Yeah.
Is
Median.
it? Is it the median age?
I think
Yeah.
so.
Well, because si Ding Dong na rin tito.
So
So we should be watching.
we should be watching
What
what,
we're
you're eating.
eating.
So
Yes.
savory.
So kung gusto ninyo na
Eto, totoo,
mag-produce
may-
pa kami ng more content na magugustuhan ninyo, huwag nyo kaming patayin.
Oo. May dalawa na pong namatay sa akin.
Yes.
Diabetes.
At
siguro.
Diabetes yung isa. Okay. Oo.
Diabetes yung isa.
Tapos
Oh.
pa kayo niyo pa kami matamis
Oo.
lagi. My God.
Monica had a suggestion already of what you can
Yeah.
give us. Okay.
So, you don't have to give us gifts.
Oo.
no?
But you can if you want.
You can if you want. We really appreciate it. Ang suggestion ko lang is, pwedeng gulay.
Mas mahal kasi ang salad kaysa
Actually,
donut eh.
actually, mahal nga yun. Pero pwede pa rin namin itong pagtipu-tipunan. You can give us fruits.
Ay, oh my God.
We
Actually,
give us
fruits.
fruits. We'd appreciate that. And just yung madali lang, wag naman yung yung atis or pineapple.
na hindi pa
Dragon.
nahiwa.
Bibigay sa'yo mo.
Bakit
Pero gusto ko rin yun.
Hindi nyo kami bigyan ng pansit bilao.
Oo.
May
pwede.
gulay
Yan,
yun.
may gulay yon, may gulay yun. Gusto namin yan. So,
At
pwede.
yung favorite ni Monica, hindi pa niya nasasabi.
Ano ba sinabi ko?
Barbecue.
I love barbecue.
Oh my God. Barbecue.
I love barbecue.
Akala ko TV.
Ito ka oo, ito. Mga next year, kasi malapit na talaga masira yung TV namin. Tapos sabi ko, hindi ako bibili ng bago hanggat talagang mag-count siya. Kasi, saan ko siya ilalagay? 'Di ba?
Alam mo, yun nabibigay yung sira mong TV.
Kanino?
Kay Papo
Gusto
Dele.
mo, Papo? Sirang TV. Hindi daw eh. Sa'yo na.
Pwede. Oo.
Malapit na.
Ilang inches ba yung TV mo?
55.
Ay.
Ooh, that's huge.
Magkasing laki lang yun sa atin.
Bibigay mo sa akin yun sa'yo?
Hindi naman. Although di ko siya nagagamit recently, so gusto mo ng TV.
Barter.
Oo. Wala akong TV na binili sa buhay ko. Nung kinasal kami ni Chester, yung TV namin was a Sony Bravia. Top of the line at that time. Cause I won a raffle.
Eh.
Sa sarili mong kasal?
Oh, no.
Akala ko sa kasal ka nanalo.
Oo.
Sa kasal mo, dun ka
Oo.
nanalo ng
Alam mo,
TV.
sobrang daya pa yon kasi ang sumali sa kaya ako maraming raffle ticket kasi yung nanay ko bumili ng welding machine. So, yung raffle ticket, ganito karami. tas nilagay ko pangalan ko.
Lahat.
Lahat. Eh di nanalo ng TV. Grand prize yun. Tapos tumaga. It was a top of the line at that time. That was a wonderful TV. They don't make it that way anymore. Shout out to all the TV makers out there. We know your secret. So, ang tagal ng TV na yun. Tapos nung nag-count siya, yung sister ni Chester, binigyan kami ng TV. So, yun yung TV namin ngayon. So, hindi pa ako bumibili. Ganun katagal yung Sony na
Yung
yun.
Bravia.
Oh.
Buti naman nakakabitan nyo pa yun ng Xbox.
Ay, hindi na. Hindi niya na yun supported. Kaya ito na yung TV namin, supported na nung Xbox. Plays God Simulator 3.
May 3 na?
May 3 na.
Yeah, there's no 2. There's only 1 and 3.
Oh,
Yeah.
akala ko there's no 1.
No, only 1 and 3.
Interesting.
Good.
Okay.
Yan. So, yun ang kwentong TV ko. But yes, if you wanna give us vegetables or fruits
Or pansit.
or pansit. I love pansit.
I love pansit.
Actually, fruit basket would be very... Diba?
Kasi pwede tayo mag-share-share.
Oo.
Yes.
And very good yun.
Yes.
Very good. For the health.
Pero wag grapes at saka pongkan dahil mataas ang sugar content.
Oh, really?
Wag din mangga. Yes.
Maraming calories.
Mataas ang sugar.
At saka hindi mo rin makain
Pero
na
fructose naman yun, healthy yun.
Bawal pa rin siya sa
simple
diabetic.
sugar.
Oo.
Mag-exercise ka.
Hindi kumain na lang tayo ng donut tapos mag-exercise tayo, di ba?
Oh, alam mo kung ano maganda? Suha.
Yes.
Oo, favorite
Because
ko
it
yun.
has like anti-diabetic things.
Oo.
My
Diba?
ultimate favorite is mangosteen. Pero
I
alam
know
kong
this.
mahal.
Ang hirap naman hanapin.
At saka ang mahal
Depende
ngayon.
sa season.
Oo.
Yes. I think that's also high in sugar though.
I think tama
Kahit
lang.
Tama
Tama
lang.
lang yun.
Ang hindi nire-recommend ng mga doctors ay, yun nga, grapes, mangoes, at saka, ano yung isang sinabi ko? Pongkan.
So, lahat na masarap.
Yes.
Nakakaasar.
Pero yung normal na orange pwede.
Pwede.
At
saka
yung malaki.
Pomelo. Ay, sarap.
Yung mas mahirap buksan.
Sana
why I
bukas
like
na
pongkan.
rin.
Watermelon.
Oh my God, watermelon.
Gulay yun eh.
Oo.
Gulay yun eh.
Talaga.
Oo,
Bakit?
kamag-anak siya ng
Ng upo.
cabbage. Ay, the cabbage. ng ano.
Ay, mo sang banda.
Oo nga.
Pero gulay siya. Alam ko gulay siya.
Okay.
Talaga?
Fact check natin. Mama.
Yes, can you?
Kamatis is a fruit.
Yes, that one I know.
Oo.
Watermelon.
You know what I
is
like too? I like sweet corn. But, kung bago yun na mag-performance, meron kang mga
Ganun,
corn sa
tinga-tinga.
ngipin. Ganun,
Oo.
sarap, no?
Kernels. Oo.
Oh, meron kang ganyan-ganyan dito.
I used to buy yung king corn dun sa mall na sweet
Ay,
corn.
ano.
Pero ang daming butter.
Sobrang
Tas ang
bad,
daming
no?
cheese.
Oo.
Pero
King
Okay, yun ako sa ano. Potato corn.
Potato. Pero ano, corn. Potato
yun.
corn.
Potato
potato
corn.
corn. Potato corn.
Potato. Healthy yung potato. Gulay yun eh.
Oo.
Pero pinrito.
Okay lang.
Iniisip ko nga, in the topic of fried food, na bakit mas, for example, magpaprito ka ng bacon, di ba?
Mm.
Kung ima-microwave mo siya at kakainin mo yung bacon as is, makakain mo yung lahat ng fat niya. Pero kung ipaprito mo siya at i-render mo yung bacon, mababawasan yung taba.
Oh, kasi
Because
lalo
of the oil.
So does that make fried bacon healthier?
Oh my
Air
God.
fried bacon
Oo.
is healthy.
In general, like if
Ah.
na-render yung fat, regardless if it's like direct heat or through air frying, does that make fried fat healthier than non-fried
I think
fat?
what makes fried unhealthy is the addition of the extra oil.
Mm.
So kung walang extra, okay lang.
Di ba? I think,
Pero kung
bacon
i-fry mo siya, tapos
is the best.
i-strain mo, di ba, tintaktak mo yung bacon,
Oo.
hindi nawawala rin yung extra oil at nabawasan din yung taba. Wala lang, random, naisip ko lang siya bigla.
What do you think, Papu?
Oo, papo.
Oo nga.
Is
eh.
it healthier
Gusto ko
or
na-
no? Healthier?
Yes,
It
It's
is?
healthier.
Oh,
Hindi.
No
hindi.
daw.
Ako ang aming food
Oo.
scientist.
Oo,
Food
gusto ko na
scientist.
wala
Oo.
sa food. Wala dito yung food scientist
Oo nga
natin.
eh.
And hindi lang yung maraming mantika, yung bacon, yung lumpia din.
Oo,
Kasi
yung lumpia, alam ko kasi
fry yun eh.
ma-absorb niya yung
Oo, at saka pinag-swimming mo yun eh.
Oo.
Deep
Ang
fry
sarap,
pa yun.
no?
Potato corner, nakikita mo yung...
Oo, yung... Tapos tinataktak.
And it's the same oil.
Tapos lagyan mo pa ng powder na may mga kung ano-anong flavor and other things.
Sodium. Sodium boy.
Sarap.
Grabe, I hate that we're so conscious about
I know.
Alam mo yung mga young fans natin, eventually will also get there. Once you
Yes.
pass, like, I think, the 30s, magka-crave na yung katawan mo ng healthy stuff.
Nagkaroon ako ng crossroads nung nag-enter ako ng 30s. Ang question ko was, lumiliit ba yung serving ng pagkain o lumalakas ako kumain? Kasi parang ang bilis ko maubos yung food. So,
And this was only when you turned 30.
yeah. And, di ko alam kung ito yung experience ninyo, pero like, before you could order an extra rice and now you can't. Like, in terms of, parang alam mo na kumain ka na extra rice, nararamdaman mo sa katawan mo. Parang, ito yung extra rice na nasa hita ko. Parang ganun.
Nung birthday ni Missy, dami kong kinain.
Ang dami ko
Parang
rin kinain sa birthday ni Missy.
Bakit?
Alam mo bang sumuko si Ding Dong? Sabi ko, lumipat siya sa table namin. Halika, kain ka rito. Ayaw mo mag-dessert. Ayoko na, uuwi na ako for the first time.
Pagdating nung oyster sisig, I was like, I'm done.
Oo, talagang
I'm done.
humihinga na
Kasi
lang ako
inuna
na
yung
mabagal.
pika-pika, so nabusog na ako dun sa ganun, tapos may ulam pa pala, tapos may kanin, late pa yung kanin.
yung observation ko dun sa party ni Missy is the food that was being served, aside from the appetizer, was progressively getting unhealthier. So like, nauna yung pakbet, tapos yung isda, tapos yung mga braised beef. Tapos biglang sumunod
Piniritong
yung
everything.
oyster sisig, fried chicken. Like, ha? Bakit ganito?
Diba?
Baka she expected the younger ones to come later.
Well, they did naman.
They did.
Pero,
We all left
yeah.
early.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pagod.
And nag-show naman tayo.
Totoo naman.
Nag-show
In
naman tayo.
outdoors.
In outdoors.
In outdoors.
In
In
outdoors.
Outdoors.
In outdoors.
During the out.
Oo
In the great outdoors.
In the great
Ah.
outdoors. In the great outdoors. All right. So I think actually, let's give a little message to our following because we talked to them already earlier about the gifts that they can give us. Again, we're very thankful for
Thank
all
you.
of you.
Thank you.
I'm not wearing all your bracelets today, but grabe ang laki ng
True.
'di ba? Last
True.
time
I do
ang
my best to wear
dami
also
kong
as
bracelets
much.
already. So
I'm not
thank
wearing
you for that.
any kasi na-trauma ako dun sa Cebu. When I tried wearing one, napigtas siya. So I'm like, okay.
Sa akin na hindi kasha.
Oh.
Ay.
So if you're gonna give the boys
Ayan na
the
naman.
bracelets, tandaan niyo po na malaki yung mga braso namin. So,
Yes! That's right. Si
Oo.
Ding Dong, alam ko, works out.
Oh, yeah.
Regularly
Yeah.
na, di ba?
yeah.
Regularly ka na ba?
Hindi na nga kasi injured. Injured.
Ayan. So, any messages to our following before we leave?
Be yourself. General message. No?
Monica.
Ang general message, watch your diet. It is a long-term investment.
Investment. Ding Dong, meron ka ba?
Ako gusto lang mag-thank you sa lahat ng mga nagpapadala ng things and stuff. Actually, naka-display na siya. Kasi may bahay na ako. Naka-display na yung mga regalo ng yung mga picture, yung mga drawing, yung mga art, mga fan art.
Fan art.
sa bahay ko. Yun. Thank you.
Ayan. So, thank you so much to everyone. I mean, it's also because of you guys that we even thought of having a podcast dahil for some reason, gusto nyong marinig kami mag-usap.
Oo nga.
So, okay.
Here it is.
Here it is. Just for you. So, thank you so much.
Sana worth it.
Sana
Oh.
worth it. I hope so. So, thank you so much for listening to us today. And we hope you have a great day and see you at our next show.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye. Thank you.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.